Good day subscriber, I'm Sean. This is the Fix My Home channel. So I want to show you how you can fix the drywall hole. As you see, I made that hole. I want to show you how to fix the fast way. So the tools you need is a piece of wood and some screw and just a piece. Basically I just put the piece of wood behind the wall. Okay, I put the first screw, I just hold the wood and I screw that. So I'm gonna put the second screw. Alright, so now I can put this piece of drywall. Just patch it. So now I'm gonna wait until it get dry, and after sand it and patch it again and paint it. There you go. I sand it. I can put one more coat to the final coat and after I paint it, or I can paint it right now. So either one is very simple. Thank you for watching. Make sure subscribe the channel and smash the like button.